Dwi yn dod o Sir Geredigion yn wreiddiol, ond dwi wedi bod byw yn Dolgellau ers bron neu hanner canrif bellach. Ddaru fi ddarganfod fy hunan yn weddw tua blwyddyn a hanner yn ôl, a amser ar y nwylo, ddeud y gwir, a be fedra i wneud. So, wedi clywed am mantell Gwynedd, dyma droi fyny yma a cwrdd ag Elen, a dyma i'n argymell rhai pethau oedd mantell yn neud, ac oedd Ffrindia yn un ohonyn nhw. Fi wedi cwrdd debys blwyddyn, a mae gynno fo salwch reit rifrifol, anabledd, cerdded ag ati. Ond dros y misoedd, a blwyddyn dwi wedi bod yn Ffrindia gyda Dave fan, ac wedi gweld gwahaniaeth mawr. A mae hwnna bod yn braf iawn i fi bod yn rhan ohono a gwylio hefyd yn de.
It's just one of those things I can't tell you in words what it means to me every week, knowing that he's coming and we're going to go out, be it for an hour or be it for 3 hours. That doesn't matter. What matters is the human contact other than my wife or my children that come and see me.
We've had a lot of support with Dave's illness, but the support that he gets off Gareth and Ffrindia is on its own. There's no other support like that. It's just a service that has made such a big difference to Dave's life and mine, because I know I haven't got to worry about him when Gareth's with him as well. I know he's safe.
Fel arfer, dyn ni'n mynd bob pnawn dydd Iau, a'n cyrraedd ar toc ar ôl cinio. Dwi'n ni'n trial mynd i rwle a chydig o ddiddordeb hanes, mae o hoffi hanes. Beth sy'n rhaid trefeddol bod o'n dod o'r canolbarth. Mae'n gwybod mwy am yr ardal yma na dwi'n aml iawn, achos yn ei hamlen mae wedi bod ar ei feic ar awn bob corcwr a chornel o Meirionydd, dwi'n meddwl. Ond dwi'n gallu gwrando na am oriau ddeud y gwir. Dyn ni byth yn fyr o sgwrs, ga i ddeud hynna beth bynnag yn de.
And obviously I don't know the ins and outs on how Ffrindia select the person to come to see me, which is her selection of Gareth has been spot on.
Rhaid yn gyfadde, dwi wedi deud wrtho a dwi wedi deud wrth pawb, dwi'n cael gymryd allan ohono fo a dwi'n gobeithio bod o'n cael allan o'r cynllun, achos bob dydd Iau, oedden ni bob amser yn cwrdd a dwi'n edrych ymlaen ato fo, ac mae'n ddwrnod da iawn i dy gwir.
If it's not too corny, I get the overwhelming feeling of becoming a human being again. You know, you're actually interacting with the outside world, not just watching it go past. As you can see, I can sit here reading as many books as I like, but it's the actual human social interaction that I missed. And Gareth just sort of got me over that.